Alright. Our first question is from our friends from Tribune.
Excuse me po!
Nasaan po si Sir
Excuse
PJ?
po!
Sir PJ, kamusta po kayo, Sir PJ? Where is Sir PJ?
Excuse po!
Ayun.
I'm here.
Okay.
Okay. Hi.
Ayun! Okay.
So, first of all, congratulations.
Okay, thank you so much sa lahat ng ating fans. Mag-Q&A muna tayo. Okay, madam.
Okay, so first of all, congratulations kay Philippe, of course, kay Donnie and Belle. Congratulations for moving closer. Okay, so first and foremost, my question is, tell us about your partner, Donnie and
Naku,
Belle.
excuse!
Is he or she more of intense red or fresh green kind of person?
For context, Sir Felipe, kasi sa close-up, yung intense red, yung daw yung talagang all-out magmahal. Tapos yung cool green, yun yung parang chill lang, cool lang. So ano daw yung XP mo with Don Bell? Ano kaya yung nakikita mo? Is it intense red or cool green? Tama po?
Yeah, my question is for Don Bell. And
For Don Bell, okay. For Don Bell muna, okay.
Intense
Intense
red
red
Or
or
cool green.
cool green.
Yes.
So tingin mo, sakto sa suit natin?
Parang both eh. Both, yeah. So bakit naging both?
Minsan kailangan,
Being intense and cool at the same time.
oo, gano'n.
Yeah. Diba?
Dapat may qualities ka ng both.
Okay. So totoo ba yun, Sir Philippe? Is that true?
Sa napansin ko sa kanila? Or para sa akin ba? Pag ako kasi, chill lang ako eh, so I think, cool green. Cool green. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Alright, thank you so much, madam. Thank you so much, PJ. And now let's hear it from our friend from ABS-CBN. Nandito po si Sir Josh. Sir Josh? Okay, hi, Sir Josh!
Good afternoon. Question for Don Bell. This is not your first partnership with Close-Up. What keeps the two of you coming back to collaborate with the brand?
Yeah, we've done a couple of projects now with Close-Up, even projects abroad, diba? I think what we love about the brand is that they always find ways to come up with something new. Like itong ginawa naming music video na to. First time natin gumawa ng music video na may choices. Tapos di mo alam kung ano mangyayari.
Yes.
Diba? Parang yung audience yung pipili ng next na setup. So, what we love about this partnership, it's always fresh. There's always something new that it has to offer, and we just love the team as well.
Yeah, and for me, I think it's really important that we both endorse a brand we believe in. And me talaga growing up, I really used to use Close-Up, and I'm so happy to be able to be part of their family, of course. And closer to everyone here, so...
Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Josh! Okay, sino po ang may questions for our ambassadors? Andiyan po ang ating microphone, I think. We have our friend from Inquirer. Nasaan po si Miss Jessica? Hi, Miss Jessica!
Hi, first of all po, congratulations po to the three of you. My question po for Don Bell. What's the difference po between filming a music video and filming a scene in a movie po?
Wow. Ano?
Parang almost the same, no?
Siguro yung pace lang. Pace ng story. Kasi pag movie, di ba, mas longer. Pag music video, talagang every moment counts. So, wow, closer. But yeah, I think that's the difference. But the emotions are there. Siyempre, it has to be authentic and raw.
Tsaka itong music video, parang walang dialogue eh. So you really have to express it through your actions and mga emotions na pinapakita. Unlike sa movie, di ba? Ang daming dialogue and you get to hear what the actors are saying. So, same but different.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Jessica! Now let's hear it from our friends from Manila eccentric. Nasaan po? Ayun. Hello, madam.
Sorry, it's Angelica po. Hello po, from Manila Standard. Hi, Philip and Donald. Congratulations. My question will be for Philip. Okay. Di ba, like, you did a cover for Warner Music's 30th anniversary of Moving Closer. Now that you're an ambassador, how does it feel?
Of course po, this is new to me. Pero yung jazz kasi na type of music is what I listen since I was a kid. So, ayun po, but I'm so, sobrang na-challenge ako kasi first time ko kasi maglabas ng ganitong type of music. And medyo may pagka-sexy siya na vibe. So, I just felt like bagay na bagay talaga siya, lalo na paparating yung Valentine's Day, di ba? So, yeah, I just wanna thank, gusto ko rin pasalamatan yung Close Up for this song din. Binigyan nila ng bagong buhay yung nakaraang version ng Moving Closer. So, yeah.
Thank you did a great job.
Thank you, maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Miss Angelica. Thank you so much. And now, si Eccentric. Nasaan po si Eccentric? I think may question po siya for our ambassadors.
Hello, congratulations for the three of you. So, this question is for Philip. So, this is your first work with Close Up and Donda. How was the experience?
Masaya po. Meeting yung finalist, especially si Belle. Kasi magkakilala na kami ni Donnie dati pa lang. So masaya ako, and of course, andito rin yung mga fans ng Don Bell. So ayun po, malaki po yung pasasalamat ko sa support nila. And malaki din po pasalamat ko for Don Bell for this event, and especially for Close Up, for having me here to be part of the family. So I'm just so happy. Yeah.
Alright, thank you, Eccentric, and thank you so much to our media friends who never fail to support us at sa Close Up Friends or Fans. And hashtag Team Bahay na nanonood. Please don't forget to use our official hashtags. Hashtag Choose Fresh, Choose Close Up, hashtag Moving Closer, hashtag Close Up X Donbell, and hashtag Close Up X Philip para updated ang ating online friends sa mga kilig moments with Donbell and Philip. And syempre, speaking of kilig, once again, handa na ba kayong kiligin for our final game?